Cashews are a fruit that helps combat anemia, strengthen the immune system, and prevent premature aging. This is because cashews are rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that has antioxidant action, increases iron absorption, and helps form collagen. Cashews are found in red, orange, or yellow, which vary mainly in the amount of carotenoids. Red and orange cashews have more carotenoids than yellow cashews. This fruit can be eaten raw or used in preparations such as juice, cake, and vegetarian ceviche, for example. Cashew nuts can be used as a snack or in preparations such as pastes, plant-based milks, cakes, cookies, and bread. Main benefits of cashews. The main health benefits of cashews are 1. Increased immunity. As they are rich in vitamin C. Cashews increase immunity because they improve the functions of the body's defense cells, helping to fight viruses, bacteria, and fungi. 2. Prevent cardiovascular diseases. Cashews have excellent amounts of fiber that reduce the absorption of fats in the intestine, controlling cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, and preventing cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks, strokes, and atherosclerosis. In addition, cashews are also rich in beta-carotene and tannins, bioactive antioxidant compounds that maintain the health of the arteries, improving blood circulation and thus preventing high blood pressure. 3. Promote weight loss. Cashews promote weight loss because they contain fiber that increases the digestion time of food, prolonging satiety and helping to control hunger. However, to promote weight loss, cashews should be part of a healthy and balanced diet, combined with regular exercise. 4. Prevent premature aging. Because it is rich in vitamin C, cashews promote the formation of collagen, a protein that is responsible for ensuring the firmness and elasticity of the skin, preventing the appearance of wrinkles, sagging, and premature aging. Vitamin A and carotenoids present in cashews protect the skin against damage caused by the sun's ultraviolet rays, improving the skin's appearance. 5. Combat constipation. Cashews combat constipation because they are rich in fibers, such as pectin, which stimulate the natural movements of the intestine and increase the volume of feces, facilitating evacuation. 6. Treat anemia. Because they are rich in vitamin C, cashews help in the treatment of anemia by favoring the absorption of iron from food, thus promoting the formation of hemoglobin, a component that is responsible for transporting oxygen in the body and that is normally reduced in anemia. 7. Prevent diabetes. Cashews help prevent insulin resistance and diabetes because they contain a good amount of fiber that slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, promoting a balance in blood glucose levels. 8. Help prevent cancer. Cashews are rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, tannins, and vitamin A, nutrients, and bioactive compounds with antioxidant properties that protect the DNA of cells against damage caused by free radicals, helping to prevent the onset of cancer. How to consume. Cashews can be eaten raw, with the shell, or used in preparations such as juice, cake, makika, and vegetarian ceviche, for example. Cashew nuts can be eaten as a snack or used in preparations such as paste, vegetable milk, cakes, cookies, and bread. Although there is no specific recommended amount for cashew consumption, the minimum daily recommendation for fruit is between 2 and 3 servings, which corresponds to 160 to 240 g per day. The daily amount of fruit can also vary according to each person's health status, current weight, and nutritional needs. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a nutritionist who will perform a complete assessment and indicate the daily amount of fruit on an individual basis. Healthy recipes with cashews. Some tasty and healthy recipes with this fruit are cashew juice and ceviche. 1. Cashew juice. Ingredients: 1 fresh, ripe cashew with shell, 250 milliliters of filtered or boiled water, ice cubes to taste. How to prepare: wash the cashews well, remove the nuts and cut the fruit into cubes. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Serve immediately. 2. Cashew ceviche. Ingredients: 6 ripe cashews, 1 thin slice of chili pepper, 1/2 chopped red onion, juice of 2 lemons, 1 heaping tablespoon of chopped fresh cilantro, salt to taste. Preparation: Wash the cashews thoroughly and remove the nuts. Cut 4 cashews into cubes and set the rest aside. Place the fruits in a bowl and add the lemon juice. Squeeze the juice from the remaining 2 cashews, discarding the pulp. Add the onion, the squeezed cashew juice, and the cilantro to the cashew cubes in the bowl. Cut the pepper into very small cubes and add to the ceviche. Mix well and serve immediately.